Aside from a royal pardon, what are the other options on the table for former PM Datuk Seri Najib Razak? Lawyer Kokila Vaani Vadiveloo explains the possible legal route he might take.
Right now, he has one more avenue in the courts, in the same federal court, but it will be heard by a different panel of judges. It will not be the same panel that has heard him in this appeal. It's not an appeal, it's a review. So a federal court decision has a power to invoke its powers to actually look through its decision. Okay, will it necessitate a further challenge by way of review under Rule 137 of the Federal Court rules. Simple understanding is the court has an inherent power to review its previous decisions in order to prevent injustice or abuse of process, but must be very, very careful. It cannot be seen as a second bite of cherry for the losing litigant. Okay, so the review can only be considered in very exceptional cases.
Whichever decision Najib's legal team decides on must be filed in 14 days for the former Premier to ensure his status as Pekan MP is maintained until the proceedings conclude.
What Datuk Seri Najib now probably, or his team, legal team would have to do, it has to be filed within 14 days, whichever route that they're going to take. Now, upon filing 14 days, how long it takes, I'm unable to advise because it all depends on the respective bodies, the court, and of course the pardon board or this application for the pardon, for the royal pardon. So my understanding is 14 days, and when does this thing lapse is after 14 days of the decision. It can be the pardon board's decision, it can be the court's decision on the review. Only then it lapses. So I think Datuk Seri Najib will be able to still maintain his MP position if he has done something in the next 14 days. But the next 14 days will be crucial to see what will be the steps taken by Datuk Seri's team.